mod x plus mod y also we did it. These are some of the pending problems in modulus function. Now we will discuss the most important concept in maxima, in minima, that is taken out of progressions. That is taken out of progressions. We will do one by one. We will do according to the type. Right, this is something which I keep telling. Why, right? Oh, I think this question is already there. Okay, one more question is there. We'll solve this. This question unnecessarily we searched, it is there in the PPT. Mod x equivalent to 1002. So x is nothing but plus 1002, or it is nothing but minus 1002. Y is nothing but plus 1003, or y is nothing but minus 1003. Mod x plus y is 1. Mod x plus y means 1 is x is 1002, y is minus 1003. 1002 minus 1003 is 1. Or x is minus 1002 and y is 1003. Here it is also 1. So x could be 1002. If x is 1002, y will be minus 1003. If x is minus 1002, y will be 1003. Mod of x minus y will become 1002 minus of minus 1003, 2005. Next one also it will become minus 1002 minus 1003, which is 2005. Another miscellaneous question. Generally this question comes in most of the mock papers. Now type 6 maxima and minima. Very important type. I also wrote the note above so that you will understand which model I am coming. First note is, first type A is, always remember, variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is always 2 as long as A is greater than or equivalent to 1. They both will be equal at A greater than or equivalent to 1. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is minus 2 when A is less than or equivalent to minus 1. Please make a note of this point. Variable and its reciprocal, variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2 if A is greater than or equivalent to 1. All maxima and minima problems whatever we are solving, these only valid for positive real numbers. All the concepts whatever I am discussing are only valid for positive real numbers. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Variable and its reciprocal, if A is negative, then maximum value is minus 2. Right? That is exactly the reason it is given that all are greater than 0. That means they all become positive real numbers. Positive means variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Now find the value. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Answer is 6. Right? If I call P plus Q as X, this equation will become X plus R plus 1 by X plus 1 by R. Variable and its reciprocal, it is 2. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum is 2. So 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. Type A in type 6. All the concepts are written at the top so that you will come to know which model I am using. All the problems in type A is variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Right? Third question. P plus Q by R. If I open the bracket, P by R plus Q by R plus Q by P plus R by P plus R by Q plus P by Q. So P by R and R by P, variable and its reciprocal 2. Q by R and R by Q, variable and its reciprocal 2. Q by P and P by Q, variable and its reciprocal 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, answer is 6. I hope it is clear, right? Just to open the terms and make it an individual fractions, you will realize that numerator is becoming denominator, denominator is becoming numerator. If I take 2 common, 2 into P plus 1 by P. If I take 3 common, q plus 1 by q. If I take 5 common, r plus 1 by r, variable and its reciprocal. So 2 into variable and its reciprocal is 2, 3 into variable and its reciprocal is 2, 5 into variable and its reciprocal is 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 120, 240. 120, 240. Idea is clear? Various model under this concept. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Similarly, another question. Right now, if you see here, p plus 1 by p, variable and its reciprocal 2. Variable and its reciprocal 2. It is not a variable and its reciprocal. Take 7 common. R plus 1 by R. So it is nothing but 2 into 2 into 7 into variable and its reciprocal is 2. 4 7s are 28. 28 2s are 56. 28 2s are 56. I hope the idea you got. This is not a variable and its reciprocal. Take 2 common. So it is 2 into p plus 1 by p into 3 into q plus 1 by q. Here variable and its reciprocal, so it is into 2. Be careful, do not take 7r plus 7 by r directly as value 2. 2 into p plus 1 by p is 2. Q in plus 1 by q is 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. Answer for this question is 48. I hope it is clear. Another H, tan p plus cot p is nothing but 1 by tan p. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Another beautiful question in G. What you do is you separate the value. P square plus 2p plus 1 divided by p into q square plus 2q plus 1 divided by q into r square plus 7r plus 1 divided by r. So it is nothing but p plus 2 plus 1 by p. Next it will become q plus 2 plus 1 by q. Next it will become r plus 7 plus 1 by r. P plus 1 by p is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 7 is 9. 16 9s are 144. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 8 problems based upon a simple concept. Variable and its reciprocal. Minimum value is 2. Minimum value is 2. Type A, 8 problems. I hope it is clear. Type B, another important concept. You can read this statement. I will write it again so that you will understand it. A power P, B power Q, C power R. All the values should be positive real numbers. A, B, C, P, Q, R. All are positive real numbers. All are positive real numbers. This entire expression is maximum. This entire expression is maximum only if the sum of the bases is constant, a plus b plus c is constant, and the base to the power is also same. A by P into B by Q into C by R. Extremely important concept. Right? When the expression is of this form, you can easily prove it by putting A power P, B power Q, C power R as K and applying logarithm, applying differentiation, you will get this. A power P, B power Q, C power R is maximum only if A plus B plus C is a constant and A by P equivalent to B by Q equivalent to C by R. This is the concept. The same thing is written in the red color. Now see here. Question. At what value of x? X cube into 1 minus x power 4. This expression is the maximum expression. This expression is the maximum. There is a reason why it is written that x lies from 0 to 1. Because if I take x value 2, 1 minus 2 will become minus 1. I told you that A, B, C, P, Q, R, all should be greater than 0. The only way base can be greater than 0 is x should lie between the range. So this is possible only when the sum of the bases is constant. X plus 1 minus x, 1 is constant, base to the power x by 3 equivalent to 1 minus x by 4. So this will become 4x equivalent to 3 minus 3x, 7x equivalent to 3. So x equivalent to 3 by 7. So expression will become, wherever x is there, substitute 3 by 7. 3 by 7 whole cube into 1 minus 3 by 7 power 4. 3 by 7 whole cube into 4 by 7 power 4. Very easy if you know this method. A power p, b power q, c power r is maximum only when the sum of the bases is constant and the ratio of the base to the power is same. X by 3 is equivalent to 1 minus x by 4. So x is 3 by 7. Because sum of the bases is constant, directly you can apply base to the power ratio should be same. Base to the power ratio should be same. Another question. What is the maximum volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. R plus h is 12. If R plus h is 12 units, ratio of the base to the power, it should be same because the sum of the bases is constant. R by 2 equivalent to h by 1. So R equivalent to 2h. 2h plus h is 12. 3h equivalent to 12. H equivalent to 4. R is nothing but 2 into 4, 8. So answer is pi r square h. So it will become pi into 8 square into 4. 64 into 4. Answer for this question is 256 pi. Directly you will get the answer if you know this concept. V is pi r square h. Ratio of the base to the power should be same. So r by 2 equivalent to h by 1. R is 2h. So r plus h is 12. H is 4. R is 8. 256 pi is the answer. Seventh question. At what value of x is the expression x plus 7 whole square into 13 minus x power 3? This expression is maximum. Remember, again it is given because all the values should be positive real numbers. If I take x value 14, 13 minus 14 will become negative. So this will become x plus 7 by 2 equivalent to 13 minus x by 3. So this will become 3x plus 21 equivalent to 26 minus 2x. So 5x equivalent to 5, x value is 1. If x value, if I substitute 1, this will become 8 square into 12 cube. This will become 8 square into 12 cube. I hope 7th one it is clear. 7th one in type B, I hope it is clear. Next one, type C. Very, very important type C. Type C. What is this type C? If the sum of the variables is constant, positive variables, all the concepts are right only for positive real numbers. All the concepts are right only for positive real numbers. If the sum is constant, product will be maximum only when the variables are equal. I will write the concept here. This is the concept of when the sum is constant. When the sum is constant, product will be maximum. Product will be maximum when the variables are equal. Only when the variables are equal. If the sum is constant, product will be maximum. Sum constant, product will be maximum only when the variables are equal. Only when the variables are equal. If the sum is constant, product will be maximum. Right? This proof also I will do it in type E. Now, If a plus b equivalent to 8, sum is constant. If sum is constant, product will be maximum only when the variables are equal. So 4 into 4 is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. Right? First easy question. When the sum is constant, product will be maximum only when the variables are equal. A is 4, B is 4, C is 4. So answer for this question is 4 into 4 into 4. 16 4s are 64. Very, very easy question. If the sum of the positive variables is constant, the product will be maximum only when all of them are equal or when all the variables are equal. Now see a small twist. A plus B plus C is 14. He is asking product of these three variables. Product of these three variables will be maximum only when the sum of these three variables is constant. A plus 1 plus B plus 2 plus C plus 4. 14 plus 7 is 21. If I call it as X, X plus Y plus Z is 21. I want maximum of XYZ. Maximum of XYZ. This will be same when the variables are equal. X is 7, Y is 7, Z is 7. 777. Answer is 343. At what value it will be equal? If A plus 1 is 7, A value will be 6. If B plus 2 is 7, B value will be 5. If C plus 4 is 7, C value will be 3. Because of these values, the product will be 343. Please do not substitute A equivalent to B equivalent to C and take 14 by 3. Remember, if the product of this variables is maximum only when the sum of these three variables is constant. Product of the three variables will be maximum only when the sum of these three variables is constant. I hope it is clear. Now similarly, we will solve a few more questions. Fourth one. Maximum of A plus 1, B plus 2. Product of these three variables will be maximum only when the sum of these three variables is constant. So 3. So if I call it as X, X plus Y plus Z is 15. I want maximum of X, Y, Z. So this will become X5, Y5, Z5. X5, Y5, Z5. Answer is 125. Answer is 125. I hope the idea is clear. Fifth one. Already we did. A power B, B power Q, C power Q. This will be maximum when the ratio of the base to power is constant. A by 2 equivalent to B by 2 equivalent to C by 3 equivalent to K. So this will become A 2K, B 2K, C 3K. This will become 7K equivalent to 14, K equivalent to 2. So answer is 2 square, again 2 square, again 6 cube. 4 square into 4 square into 6 cube. 4 square into 4 square into 6 cube. Idea is clear? These 10 problems under type C concept. If the sum of positive variables is constant, product of these variables will be maximum only when all of them are equal. Only when all of them are equal, product will be maximum. Right? Another question, same variety. First one, A power 1 B square C cube. A by 1 equivalent to A by 1 equivalent to B by 2 equivalent to C by 3 equivalent to K. So A will be K, B will be 2K, C will be 3K. Sum is 6K equivalent to 30. K is nothing but 5. So answer is 5 into 10 square into 15 cube. 5 into 10 square into 15 cube. This seventh question, I will do the same question under AM greater than or equivalent to GM. Just to hold on for some time. AM greater than or equivalent to GM, I will use this concept. A by 1 equivalent to B by 2 equivalent to C by 3. I hope the idea is clear. Now 12th one, which is a CAT question, original CAT question. 4 equal corners from a square sheet are cut. There is a square sheet. There is a square sheet. 4 equal corners from a square sheet are cut. Square sheet are cut. And from the remaining box, that means equal corners x, 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 4 equal corners. So these are nothing but 12 minus 2x, because square the side is 12. These are nothing but 12 minus 2x. These are nothing but 12 minus 2x. These are nothing but 12 minus 2x. Maximum volume of the box. Volume cuboid, it is length into breadth into height. So if I cut it, if the figure is like this, if the figure is like this, if I fold this, if I fold this, if I fold this, length will become 12 minus 2x, breadth will become 12 minus 2x, height, this will come to the top. So this is x. 12 minus 2x, 12 minus 2x. The best thing what we will do is, we will multiply and divide by 4. 12 minus 2x into 12 minus 2x into 4x. Product of these three variables is a constant. When the product of these three is a maximum, only when the sum of these three is a constant. So 12 minus 2x plus 12 minus 2x plus 4x is 24. Constant. That means each one will be equal. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. So answer is nothing but first is 8, another is 8, 4x is 8, next is 22. I hope the idea is clear. I am sure just by looking at a question, you can tell the length as 12 minus 2x. The cube is like this, length 12 minus 2x, breadth 12 minus 2x, top, this x is becoming like this, this x. 12 minus 2x into 12 minus 2x into x. Multiply and divide by 4, because the product of the variables is constant only when the sum of the variables is same. 12 minus 2x plus 12 minus 2x plus 4x, it is 24. Sum of three variables is 24. That means each value is 8. 12 minus 2x is 8. 8 into 8 into 2. I hope it is clear. Now x plus y plus z is 12. Find the maximum value. Maximum it will happen when the variables are equal. X is 4, y is 4 and z is 4. So answer is 64 plus 16 into 3. 48 plus 64. Answer is nothing but 112. Simple. The product will be maximum when the variables are equal. Product will be maximum when the variables are equal. 13th one. Now xyz. Now if you see here, xyz are natural numbers. Because x plus y plus z is given as 11. If I make all the variables equal like a previous example, 3x equivalent to 11. So x is nothing but 11 by 3 point something I will get. But xyz are natural numbers. If xyz are natural numbers, it cannot be 3 point x. So idea is make variables values closer to each other. Make variable values closer to each other. Make all of them come very, very close. X is 3, y is 3, z 5. 5 is a little more. 4, 4, 3. 4, 4, 3. They are very, very close. 2, 2, 7. They are very, very far. So if I take 4, 4, 3. 4 4s are 4, 4, 3. 4 into 4 into 4 into 3. Plus 4 into 3. Plus 4 into 3. Plus 4 into 4. This is the answer. Idea behind this question is make variables values come closer to each other. Make them come very, very close to each other. Make the variable values come closer to each other. I hope the idea is clear. Make variable values come closer to each other. Type D. Type C. I hope these problems are clear. If the variables are, sum of the variables is constant, product will be maximum when the variables are equal. If the sum of the variables is constant, product will be maximum when the variables are equal. Next, if the product of the, it is the reverse case, product is constant. If the product of the variables is constant, if the product of the variables is constant, sum will be minimum. Sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. When the variables are equal. If the product of the variables is constant, sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. It is the reverse case. Sum will be minimum only when the variables are equal. A cube is 27. A will be 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. Answer is nothing but 9. 9. You cannot take, if I decompose a cube minus 27 equivalent to 0, that a square plus 3a plus 9 discriminant will be less than 0. That means the roots are imaginary. A into B into C 14. That means a cube is 14. A value will be 14 power 1 by 3. Sum will be minimum when the product is constant and the variables are equal. Answer is 3 into 14 power 1 by 3. 3 into 14 power 1 by 3. I hope the idea is clear. Again, sum will be minimum when the product of these three is constant. 4a into 49b into c, which is 196 into a into b into c is 14, which is 14 cube. Sum of these three is minimum only when the product of these three is constant and the variables are equal. That means 4a will be 14, 49b will be 14, c will be 14. 14 plus 14 plus 14. Answer for this question is 42. Sum of these variables is minimum when the product of the variables is constant. 4a into 49b into c, it is 196 into 14, which is 14 cube. 14 cube means each value should take 14. 4a is 14, 49b is 14. Right? So what you do is, you make these only as b, otherwise unnecessarily irrational values you will get it. So sum of these three, 9a into b into 16c, which is nothing but 12 square into ab, c is 12 cube. Product of these three is constant, that means sum of this will be minimum when the variables are equal. 12 plus 12 plus 12. Answer for this question is 36. I hope the idea is clear. If the product of the positive variables is constant, sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. Sum will be minimum when the variables are equal. Right? I hope it is clear. Now, clear, right? Now, another advanced level question, 17th, 5 and 6. Fifth one I will solve. A square b cube equivalent to a square b cube equivalent to 6. Minimum of 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b. Degree of a is 1, but in the question degree of a is 2. Divide into two parts, a plus a. Degree of b is 1. Degree of b is 3. So minimum of a plus a, I will write it here, maybe you will not be able to see. A plus b plus b plus b plus b. Is it clear? Now 2a plus 3b. Now let us see what is happening if I multiply a square b cube equivalent to 6. That means product of this variable is constant when the sum is minimum. That means what will each one will become when the sum is minimum. I hope it is clear, right? Minimum of a plus b plus b plus c. So each will become, how much it will become? All are equal. All are equal means x power 5 equivalent to 6. X is 6 power 1 by 5. X is A or B. So answer is 2 into 6 power 1 by 5 plus 3 into 6 power 1 by 5. 5 into 6 power 1 by 5. This is the answer. 2 into 6 power 1 by 5 plus 3 into 6 power 1 by 5. Why I made it into this value? Degree of A is 1. Degree of A is 2. 2A divided into 2 equal parts. Degree of B is 1. Degree of B is 3. 3B divided into 3 equal parts. A plus B plus B plus B. Similarly, sixth question also, we will solve it in a new slide. Right. So, A square B cube. Degree of A is 2. Here it is 1. So, it is minimum of A plus A. Degree of B is 1, but in the question it is 3. So, it is 5B by 3 plus 5B by 3 plus 5B by 3. I hope you have understood why I am writing like this. Then I will write it at the top so that you can see it. A into A is A square. 5B by 3, 25, 125 divided by 27 into B cube. A square B cube is 27. Cancel. 125. Totally how many variables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All are multiplied. So x power 5 is 125. X is 125 power 1 by 5. What is x value? X is nothing but A is 125 power 1 by 5. 5B by 3 is 125 power 1 by 5. From both of this you will get the answer. From both of this you will get the answer. A value 2A you will get it and 5B. Answer is 5 into 125 power 1 by 5. 5 into 125 power 1 by 5. All the important concepts we discussed. Variable and its reciprocal, minimum value is 2. Sum of the variables is constant. Product will be maximum when the variables are equal. Product is constant when the sum will be minimum. Right? Last but not very, I think this question also we can solve. A cube into B power 4 is 36. Degree of A is 1. So divide it by 3. 4A by 3 plus 4A by 3 plus 4A by 3. Degree of B is 1. But in the question it is 4. So 9B by 4. 9B by 4. 9B by 4. 9B by 4. Clear, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I multiply all this, x power 7 is 4A by 3 into 4A by 3 into 4A by 3. 4A by 3 whole cube into 9B by 4 power 4. So it is 2 power 6 by 3 cube into 3 power 8 by 2 power 8 into 2 square into 3 square. So it is 3 power 7. So x is 3. What is x value? 4A by 3 is 3. 4A is 9. 9B by 3, 4 is 3. 9B is 12. Answer is 9 plus 12, 21. I hope it is clear, right? 9 plus 12 is 21. Totally what all concepts we discussed? We discussed all these concepts. Modulus with minus we have discussed. Modulus minus we have discussed. Minus we have discussed. Variable and its reciprocal we have discussed. Sum constant, product maximum we have discussed. Product constant, sum minimum we have discussed. Right? Type E is there. Type E I will continue tomorrow. Right? How many students who are watching the live chat are interested for the class at 11 o'clock? Kindly reply in the live chat. In case if I get maximum number of students, I will take a midnight session from 11 o'clock. Type E. Type E, there are close to type A 19, 20, 24, 29, all are on the type F. Two more types are there, which we will discuss tomorrow for the next 1.5 hours and finish it off this important point. Thank you very much for attending the class. In case if any student is enjoying my content, kindly share the class with link with all your friends, colleagues and everything, and you can call me for knowing about more course details. Thanks a lot. With love, Anil Nair. The extremely important concept, AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. Suppose if I take A1, A2, A3 and so on up to AN as the positive real numbers. AN as the positive real numbers. Arithmetic mean is always greater than or equivalent to geometric mean is always greater than or equivalent to harmonic mean. What is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is the sum of the quantities by the number of the quantities. Greater than or equivalent to geometric mean is the nth root of the product of all the positive real numbers. Harmonic mean is the reverse of arithmetic mean, n by 1 by A1, 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. Always remember, AM is always greater than or equivalent to GM is always greater than or equivalent to HM. You can take one example or two examples will take. Suppose 2 and 8. Arithmetic mean is sum of the quantities divided by the number of the quantities. It is always greater than the nth root of product. 2 plus 8, 10 by 2. 5 is greater than 4. It is always greater than, there are 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. Always remember, arithmetic mean equivalent to geometric mean equivalent to harmonic mean. It is only when the variables are equal. Arithmetic mean is equivalent to geometric mean equivalent to harmonic mean. This is only true when the variables are equal. Only because there is a greater than or equivalent to, I can determine the minimum. X is greater than or equivalent to 2. That means X minimum is 2. X is less than or equivalent to 2, that means X maximum is 2. Because there is greater than or equivalent to symbol, I can determine minimum. Because there is less than or equivalent to symbol, I can determine maximum. Greater than or equivalent to or less than or equivalent to. AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. Type E, which we could not finish it in session number 3, we will cover it up right now. One by one we will discuss all the problems. First one. First question, which is greater, 51 power 101 or 101 factorial? 101 factorial is nothing but product of all natural numbers from 1 to 101. Let me take it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 101. 101 factorial means product. Product means it will come in geometric mean. So we just now knew that there is no reciprocal here, so harmonic mean will not come. AM is greater than or equivalent to GM. AM stands for arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. So first term is 1, last term is 101 divided by 2 is greater than or equivalent to, total 101 terms are there, 101th root of 1 into 2 into 3 till 101. 102 by 2 is 51. 51 power 101 is, it cannot be equivalent to because the numbers are different. Only if the numbers are same, I will get an equal to sign. So this will not come. This will equivalent to will not come. Equivalent to will not come. AM is greater than GM. So 51 power 101 is always greater than 101 factorial. I hope the first problem is clear. Right? 51 power 101 is always greater than 101 factorial. Once you understand A, B and C are very easy. B. 251 power 501 or 501 factorial. Take all the natural numbers from 1 to 3 till 501. Why am I taking from 1 to 3 to 501? Right, product of all these things will give you 501 factorial. Arithmetic mean is always greater than geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is first term plus last term by 2 is greater than geometric mean is 501th root of 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 501. 502 by 2, 251. 251 power 501 is always greater than 501 factorial. 501 factorial. I hope the second one is also clear. Very simple idea. AM is always greater than GM. AM is always greater than GM. Third one. 15.5 power 30 or 30 factorial. So it is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 till 30, it is 30 factorial. So I took all the distinct natural numbers from 1 to 30. AM is greater than GM. Arithmetic mean is first term plus last term by 2 is always greater than geometric mean is 301th root of 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 30. 31 by 2 is 15.5. 15.5 power 30 is always greater than 30 factorial. So all the option first is greater than the second term. Very good question where you can compare the powers because of this concept. AM greater than or equivalent to GM greater than or equivalent to HM. Second question, which is greater 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 or 1. Reciprocal is there. So I will make use of harmonic mean. Take the numbers as 1001, 1002, 1003 and so on up to 3001. AM greater than HM. Arithmetic mean greater than harmonic mean. Arithmetic mean is nothing but first term plus last term by 2 divided by 2 greater than. Harmonic mean is given by n by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 and so on up to 1 by an greater than 2001 when divided by 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001. This will get cancelled. So this will be 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 is greater than 1. Beautiful question. 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 till 1 by 3001 is greater than 1. 19 over 20 over 21. A plus B plus C is equivalent to 10. Sum is given. He is asking for the reciprocal. Sum will come in arithmetic mean. Reciprocal will come in harmonic mean. Relationship is AM greater than or equivalent to HM. AM is nothing but sum of the quantities by number of the quantities greater than or equivalent to. Harmonic mean is n by 1 by a1 plus 1 by a2 plus 1 by a plus b plus c is 10. So this will become 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c. It is greater than or equivalent to 9 by 10. It is greater than or equivalent to 9 by 10. I hope it is clear. This is method 1. Directly you can do method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Make variables equal. Make variables equal. So what you can do is A equivalent to B equivalent to C. 3A equivalent to 10. A equivalent to 10 by 3. 1 by 10 by 3 plus 1 by 10 by 3 plus 1 by 10 by 3. Answer is 9 by 10. I hope the idea is clear. In case if any of your friend is not comfortable in maxima and minima, write our progressions and he want to learn concepts, I strongly suggest all the viewers who are watching to kindly share the class link with as many of your friends as possible if they are nocturnals and if they want to learn in the midnight at night 11:15. 9 by 10. Next one. Another question. AB plus BC plus AC is 24. AM is greater than or equivalent to GM. So arithmetic mean is AB plus BC plus AC divided by 3 greater than or equivalent to GM is GM of n numbers is nth root of AB into BC into AC. 24 by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of ABC whole square. This is 8. 8 cube greater than or equivalent to ABC whole square. So ABC is less than or equivalent to square root of 512. So this is nothing but ABC is less than or equivalent to 16 root 2. Less than or equivalent to means maximum value is 16 root 2. Maximum value is 16 root 2. I hope 22nd question. I hope it is clear. 23rd. If A is a positive real number, find the minimum value for 8 plus A into 13 plus A divided by A plus 4. This is the expression. The best way to solve the minimum value for a rational function is let the denominator is equivalent to K. K plus 4 is equivalent to K. So this will become K plus 4 into K plus 9 divided by K. So this is nothing but K square plus 13K plus 36 divided by K. So this is K plus 13 plus 36 by K. Apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM for this one. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So this will be K plus 36 by K by 2 greater than or equivalent to root of K into 36 by K. 6 2s are 12. So K plus 36 by K greater than or equivalent to 12. Minimum value is 12. 12 plus 13 is 25. 12 plus 13 is 25. I hope the concept is clear. Make the denominator as equivalent to another variable. Let A plus 4 equivalent to K. K plus 4 into K plus 9 divided by K. K square plus 13K plus 36. K plus 13 plus 36 by K. Apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. K plus 36 by K by 2 greater than or equivalent to K into 36 by K. K cancel 12. 12 plus 13 is 25. Next, another beautiful question, sir. All different varieties of questions. If A is greater than 0, find the minimum value for 96A cube plus 9 by 2A square. Minimum value means you will get a numerical value. Idea is to eliminate A. A square A cube. 3. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. That means they will meet at A power 6. Let us try to make it A power 6. Divide this into two parts. 48A cube plus 48A cube. Divide this into three parts. 3 by 2A square plus 3 by 2A square plus 3 by 2A square. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. This will become 96A cube plus 9 by 2A square divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 greater than or equivalent to fifth root of 48A cube into 48A cube whole square into 3 by 2A square whole cube. A power 6 cancel. So answer is nothing but greater than or equivalent to fifth root of 48 square into 3 cube by 2 cube into 5. You try to solve this 1, you will get the answer. 48 is 2 power 4 into 3. So this 48 square will become 2 power 8 into 3 square. 2 power 8 into 3 square means a 2 power 8 by 2 power 3 is a 2 power 5. Fifth root of 2 power 5 into 3 power 5 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Divide this into 2 parts. Divide this into 2 parts. Divide this into 3 parts. You will get this answer. If I divide this into 2 parts and if I divide this into 3 parts, a power 6 will get cancelled. 24, I hope it is clear. Another model. 25th. From positive real numbers A, B, C, D, 4 distinct combinations of 3 numbers are chosen. Out of 4 numbers, I selected any 3 numbers. 4C1 is 4. 4 numbers I will get. What are that numbers? A, B, C, D. Select any 3. A, B, C, A, B, D, B, C, D and A, C, D. What is that it given? The sums are S1. A plus B plus C is S1. A plus B plus D is S2. B plus C plus D is S3. A plus C plus D is S4. So now apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. AM is A plus B plus C by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of ABC. A plus B plus D by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of ABD. B plus C plus D by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of BCD. A plus C plus D by 3 greater than or equivalent to cubed root of ACD. This is S1, S2, S3, S4. If I multiply S1 into S2 into S3 into S4 is greater than or equivalent to 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 81 into cubed root of ABCD whole cube. What is ABCD? 5. 81 5s are, answer is 405. A very, very beautiful question where I am using AM greater than or equivalent to GM. Again I am explaining. There are 4 numbers ABCD. I selected 3 numbers. 4C3 is 4C1 which is 4. That numbers are ABC, ABD, BCD and ACD. I added the numbers A plus B plus C, A plus A, B plus D, B plus C plus D and A plus C plus D. I call them as S1, S2, S3, S4. I used AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So these S1 greater than S2, S3, S4. S1 into S2 into S3 into S4. 81 into 5 is 405. 25th, I hope it is clear. 26th. If A into B into C into D is 1, what is the minimum value of 1 plus A into 1 plus B into 1 plus C? You can do it in 2 methods. Method 1, AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So 1 plus A by 2 is greater than or equivalent to root of 1 into A. 1 plus B by 2 is greater than or equivalent to 1 into B. 1 plus C by 2 greater than or equivalent to 1 into C. 1 plus D by 2 greater than or equivalent to 1 into D. If I multiply all this, 1 plus A into 1 plus B into 1 plus C into 1 plus D, it is greater than or equivalent to 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 16th root of ABCD which is 1. So greater than or equivalent to 16, minimum value is 16. You don't need to do all this. Method 2, directly minimum will be when the variables are equal. A equivalent to B equivalent to C equivalent to do 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Answer is 16. Directly you will get this answer. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next one, 27th one. Please put a star mark on this question. a power 4 into b square is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 power 4. Find the minimum value of 3a plus 5b. 3a plus 5b. Degree of a is 1. Degree of a is 4. Divide into 4 parts. 3a by 4, 3a by 4, 3a by 4, 3a by 4. Degree of b is 1, degree of b is 2. 5b by 2 plus 5b by 2. Now apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. You will easily get the answer. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. If I add all this will be 3a plus 5b. Total how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 6. Greater than or equivalent to 6th root of 3a by 4 multiplied 4 times 3 power 4 by 4 power 4 into a power 4. 5b by 2 multiplied 2 times 5 square by 2 square into b square. So 3a plus 5b is greater than or equivalent to 6 into 6th root of 3 power 4 by 4 power 4 into 5 square by 2 square into 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 power 4. This is 2 power 8, 2 power 10, 3 power 4, 3 power 6, 5 power 2, 5 power 6. So what all I got? 6 into 6th root of I think 3 power 4, 3 power 2, 3 power 6, 5 power 6 divided by 2 power 8, 2 power 10, 2 power 6. All will go away. So 6 into 3 into 5 by 2. This is the answer. I hope it is clear. Idea is degree of A in the question is 1. Here it is 4. Divide into 4 parts. Here it is 1. Divide into 2 parts. Idea clear? 27th. Very easy question if you know the logic. Next, another beautiful question. What is the minimum value for 49 secant square theta plus 64 cosecant square theta? Theta is greater than 0. 49 secant square theta can be written as tan square theta. Cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. 49 plus 64 is 113 plus 49 tan square theta plus 64 cot square theta. 49 tan square theta plus 64 cot square theta. Apply AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So this will be 49 tan square theta plus 64 cot square theta by 2 greater than or equivalent to root of 49 tan square theta into 64 cot square theta. Cancel. Root 49 is 7. 7 8s are 56. 56 2s are 112. So 49 tan square theta plus 64 cot square theta is greater than or equivalent to 112. 112 plus 113. Answer is 225. Answer is 225. This entire minimum value is 112. 112 plus 113 is 225. You don't need to do all this. Y is, if it is a square secant square theta plus b square cot square theta, y minimum is nothing but a plus b whole square. Directly you will get the answer. If y is a square secant square theta plus b square cot square theta, y minimum will be a plus b whole square. 49 is 7 square, 64 is 8 square, 7 plus 8 is 15 square, which is nothing but 225. Idea clear? If the expression is of the form a square secant square theta plus b square cot square theta, y minimum will be a plus b whole square. Similarly, it is 4 square and it is 5 square. So y minimum will be 4 plus 5, 9 square. Answer is 81. Y minimum is 81. This model also I think it is clear. Next one. What is the minimum value for the expression x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 which is greater than 0? Add 1 and subtract 1. X square plus 1 by plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus 1. Variable and its reciprocal. Minimum value is 2. So 2 minus 1. Y minimum is nothing but 1. Y minimum is nothing but 1. I hope it is clear. Y minimum, it is nothing but 1. Idea clear, right? 30. Thirtieth question. Another beautiful question. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AC is equivalent to 2, BC is equivalent to 1. These X we don't know. These A. So cos angle A, it will be x square plus 2 square minus 1 square divided by 2 into x. So cos A is nothing but x square plus 3 divided by 4x. Cos A is nothing but 1 by 4 into x plus 3 by x. AM greater than or equivalent to GM. So this will be x plus 3 by x by 2 is greater than or equivalent to root 3. So x plus 3 by x is greater than or equivalent to 2 root 3. So cos A is greater than or equivalent to 2 root 3 by 4. Cos A is greater than or equivalent to root 3 by 2. Minimum angle, it is nothing but 30 degrees. Cos 30 is only root 3 by 2. Another beautiful question. By using cosine ratio, you can find out the answers very fast. X square plus 2 square. I think this cosine rule is something which you know it already. Cos theta is the sum of the squares of the sides minus the square of the side opposite to it divided by 2 into product of the sides where the cosine angle is formed. Cos A is x square plus 3 plus 4x. Different varieties of solving a question for AM, GM and HM which we did it from 19th to 30th. Last variety in Maxima, Minima, miscellaneous problems in Maxima or Minima. This kind of questions are often coming in various management exam and other exams. 31 power 11 or 17 power 14. 31 is less than 32 power 11. 32 is 2 power 5 power 11. 5 11s are 55. 2 power 55 is less than 2 power 56. 2 power 56 is 2 power 4 power 14, 16 is less than 17. So therefore 31 power 11 is less than 17 power 14. I hope the idea is clear. Very easy question if you just understand that the bases both are nearer to power of 2. 31 is less than 32, 32 is 2 power 5 power 11, 2 power 55 less than 2 power 56, 2 power 4 power 14, 16 is less than 17. Another question, 2 power 3 power 100, 2 power 3 power 100, 3 square power 100, 18 less than 9. 8 is less than 9. I hope it is clear. Second one, make the powers same. Make the powers same. Third question, 2 power 40 or 3 power 28. Take the HCF of 40 and 28, which is 4. So which is 2 power 10 power 4 and it is 3 power 7 power 4. This is 1024 power 4. 3 power 7 is 3 power 5 into 3 square, which is 243 into 9, which is 2087, which is nothing but 2087 power 4. I hope the idea is clear. Question number C. Question number D. 50 power 50 or 41 power 40, 51 power 49. So these, if x equivalent to 50 power 50 and y equivalent to 51 power 49, if I make y by x, this is nothing but 51 power 49 divided by 50 power 50. This is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 50 power 50 into 1 by 51. There is one concept, 1 plus 1 by x power x always lies from 2 to 3. Always lies from 2 to 3. 1 plus 1 by x power x always lies from 2 to 3. This lies from 2 to 3. 2 to 3 divided by 51. That means y by x is less than 1. That means y is less than x. That means y is less than x. X is 50 power 50, y is 51 power 49. Y by x is 51 power 49 divided by 50 power 50. So this is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 50 power 50 into 1 by 51. 1 plus 1 by x power x is nothing but, it ranges from 2 to 3. 2 to 3 divided by 51. 2 to 3 divided by 51 is less than 1. Y by x is less than 1. So answer is y less than x. 9345679, if I call it as x square. So this is nothing but x minus 1 and it is nothing but x plus 1. X square minus 1 is always less than x square. So therefore 9345678 into 9345680 is always less than 9345679 square. I hope the idea is clear. Take the least value as x, x minus 1 into x plus 1, x square plus minus 1 is always less than x square. Idea clear? Another very important concept, Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. ABXY are greater than 0. Mod AX plus BY is always less than or equivalent to root of A square plus B square into root of X square plus Y square. Please write this Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Mod of AX plus BY is always less than or equivalent to root of A square plus B square into root of X square plus Y square. If I square it and put everything into left hand side, I will get AX minus BY square greater than or equivalent to 0. This 15 less than or equivalent to root of A square plus B square into root of 3 square plus 5 square. So root of A square plus B square greater than or equivalent to 3. So minimum value of this expression is 3. If you know this inequality, you don't need to use coordinate geometry methods and directly do this method. Mod of AX plus BY less than or equivalent to root of A square plus B square into root of X square plus Y square. Next one, same concept. Mod of 5a plus 12b is less than or equivalent to root of 5 square plus 12 square into root of a square plus b square. This mod of 5a plus 12b is less than or equivalent to 13. This is also 13. Mod 5a plus 12b is less than or equivalent to 169. Mod x less than or equivalent to a. We discussed in the second class, x lies from minus a to a. x lies from minus a to a. Minus 169 less than or equivalent to 5a plus 12b less than or equivalent to 169. So minimum value is minus 169. Minimum value is minus 169. I hope you understood all the models. Mod 5a plus 12b less than or equivalent to 5 square plus 12 square into root of a square plus b square. Please have a look at entire maxima and minima, all the varieties. Just have a look at it.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free AMC.